so we don't.
Oh, he just teleported here.
On it, James. Oh my god. Alright, guys.
Oh,
I'm
I
gonna
have
use a
so many
meteor
buffs.
staff. Meteor staff's our main DPS.
Yo, spawn it.
Bought it.
James.
James.
Oh, it's me.
Hey gamers, and welcome back to Terraria. Now, if you missed the last episode, we fought the other two mech bosses, so it's time to fight the third one. So, let's continue with the video.
This is. I core this bitch.
Oh, there's a lot of probes.
Guys, I'm not doing much damage.
Okay, we need some people to get the
Me?
probe.
Damn it.
Connor, since you don't have a stormbow, focus on the probes, okay?
That's what I'm doing.
Are we actually using meteor staff as DPS, or we're just gonna go down there and fight him?
No, we're actually using
Kind of
this, 'cause
fighting
I
probes
can
right
still
now.
hit this too.
Can you keep I-coring it?
I can try. I'm fighting probes
Here.
right now though.
It'll be better if I I-core it.
I can I-core with my
long
bow.
worm.
I'm gonna throw bows whenever there's not like I'm gonna throw I-core whenever there's not like a bunch of dudes. Am I even I-coring you? What the?
Holy, that's fun. Wait, what is that?
Good shit, Connor.
I don't even know what's happening. Well, you
We could
died.
tell.
Guys,
Oh
somebody
my
get the things
God,
off
so
me.
many attacks.
Watch
Why
your
are we
frog
going-
saving me. You're
Nolan,
frog.
why are we at like full health still?
I am too.
This is way better than the stormbow, guys.
I mean, the stormbow does more damage.
Yeah, I don't know why this is working better.
It's
To be fair, we do have all chlorified armor except
Because
James.
the stormbow is nerfed.
Is
I mean,
it?
I'm
like,
still
How?
full
super
health
bad.
too.
Actually, I just realized I have almost 100 defense. They only do like one.
I'm going in.
I'm also doing 1200 DPS.
Guys,
he's
he's
There's a
on
on thing.
me. Get up here
Connor.
then, Connor.
Stop throwing. Action.
What did I die? Oh, a laser. I
Thank
couldn't.
God I
He
got that.
circled me on the rope.
Connor, we all still have full health. How did you die again?
Guys, I'm just
Okay,
saying,
'cause
my
James, I
harp
couldn't get
does
up. I tried
5
to climb
times
the, rope,
the
he
DPS of
circled
the
it.
meteor shower. I'm going with the
Spam
harp.
your harp downwards. You don't have to.
No.
No,
Plus,
How much does your meteor shower?
It only does 400 DPS.
Oh, I had
My harp does.
1200. I have the
Wait,
same.
where is
I
this
have,
guy? I need to come
no,
back
and
up.
I
need
have 400 when I'm just standing here.
Where's
why is he not
No.
getting I-cored? Is he immune?
Oh wait, never mind.
Oh, I
okay,
think the
no.
robots are immune.
Okay, I do 900 DPS with the thing, but I do like 15,000 with
Guys.
the harp.
I have the flask on, and I'm
Guys.
I-core other stuff. It's just not him.
I think he's immune. Wait, what? How do you?
He
How did
climbed
he
the
do
banner
that?
tower.
Oh,
Connor,
What?
I blame you
how many
entirely.
times you?
Hey.
You might as well just have 3-player health, man.
What the? Get these probes off me!
Oh, I'm sorry. I was attacking him. I wasn't paying any attention. James, you're kind of low.
You realize?
Getting
Oh,
up
why
is
do
the
you-
hard
Nolan
part.
with the hollowed armor just standing here.
We're fine. Harp. The harp's just better.
How much defense do you have, Nolan?
I only have 57.
Oh my god, actually throwing.
Yo, the harp's actually broken, dude.
Oh no, I got hit, but I just shadow dodged.
No one's
so I
playing.
just-
Do your ears hang low? Do your ears hang low? It actually
Okay.
sounds like that.
Where's the boss?
Wait, Nolan, do you have like a bot that just plays songs for you?
No.
What are you talking about?
Those things exist where like it changes the distance so that you're firing stuff automatically.
Guys,
So you
this
play
rainbow
songs.
rod does way more. Oh my god.
And it's homing, so just use
Yeah, I'm just gonna use this because it also kills the probes.
Yeah, but the probes are not the problem. Like they're basically non-existent.
that. Well, they will become a
This
problem.
is easy, dude.
No, they won't. I think we've gone through them all. See, there's only a few left.
Oh, I forgot how they spawn.
Standing in the middle of the laser.
Here's one of them.
Like,
Yeah, I'm fine over here.
Do I have to
actually
go
half
back
health.
to using my Captain America shield?
You're not
Actually,
fine.
might die. I might die. I will die.
Meanwhile, a
Ow.
boss is just tanking it. Oh my goodness.
I haven't used a single health potion. I've just been standing here like this.
I'm just standing here and I'm just not getting hit and doing 600 DPS.
Oh, I finally started taking damage.
James, Connor, you pitch.
Connor did nothing the entire fight, then just stole all the loot. What do you
We
do
don't
with
have
Souls
time
of
to do
Light?
another one.
Mega Shark, that's it. And Abbas, can you make those things? You know what you know what I'm talking about, right? Time to make
Yeah.
cool minecart. Wait, what
Oh,
minecart?
dude, the good minecart.
Oh yeah.
Cool minecart time.
Also, I can make. Oh, does anyone have an
Oh
extra?
wait, I
wall
can
flush
make the
emblem?
things. I'm gonna make those.
Guys, I have to fight the wall flush again.
No, I have one. No, I have one.
You have an extra? Oh my
Yeah.
God, come in my pants for me.
What?
What?
Also, how do you make the what?
I'll meet you at your house now.
Ew. Cringe.
What? You're the one who asked.
Cringe.
Oh, let's go, the Drax.
Yo, dude.
Trash. The
Does anyone have more hollow bars? I
Guys,
used all mine
I'm gonna
to
make the
make
pickaxe
the
axe
thing.
just because.
yeah, James, you need
You-
armor, right?
Yeah, I
You
made
better
the
not.
armor. I made all. I have the armor. I just
Boss,
need,
come deliver it.
I need
new.
more for the Drax.
Okay. I have 17.
there.
James, do you have one bar? Cause you need 18 for the Drax.
I have 9,
Okay, yeah, you're fine. Then.
but I need the Drax.
Yeah,
Wait,
no,
no,
I'm
what
fine.
do you need from me again?
I need the emblem. James, I have the.
Oh,
I have
right,
all the
right, right.
bars.
Does anyone have souls of light that I can have?
Thank you.
Firefly!
Yo, I got
I
a
have
black
some.
lens.
If only that
Literally-
was useful.
I got one in that fight as well.
Bruh.
Boss, I'm coming with my. Where are you going?
I'm lagging, I think.
You're running away from me, noob. Give me that noob.
So wait,
I
who
have
needs
one
hollow
soul
bars?
of light.
Does anyone need hollow bars right now?
No.
Does your dick hang low? Is it?
Does it wobble to and fro?
How do I make this emblem thing?
Shut up, boss. Cringe.
I'll just ask the guy.
So wait, I can make an Excalibur.
Oh, you need one of each.
5 of each for the.
Shut up, virgin. Jeez.
I know.
Avengem. Oh, it's at the Tinker's Workshop.
James, I have the desert key if you want.
Why would I make that?
James, do
just
you want the desert
bad.
key?
Yo, flamethrower.
Yeah, I do actually.
Yeah, I don't have it, so. This is
Oh.
awkward. This is really
Yeah,
awkward.
it is awkward because you kind of just lied.
What up, dude? What up, Ian?
How do you feel about Forza Horizon 5?
The game is dead after Forza 4. And
Oh.
I'm not talking Horizon.
Oh, how do you feel about Overwatch 2?
I don't know what
I
any of
hate
these
it.
words mean.
I mean, I kind of want to get Horizon 5.
Because you're a virgin, man.
Yeah, I don't know,
know.
honestly. It's just, it's like a racing game, so like, not much
Yeah,
new, but...
No, I just want to get like a good racing game.
Mario Kart.
You guys like racing games?
Ew.
Not really.
I mean, I do.
I honestly, personally, I can't stand them. I don't know what about them.
I feel like
I
they're
don't
just
know,
so
I like 'em.
repetitive.
I get how other people like them, but it's just, I could never play one. I don't know why. Like,
Yeah,
my
I
brother
could-
loves them.
Like,
I like them.
If
Like,
you're
I
into
would
cars
get
and,
like one game.
speeding and shit.
And
I
like
would get like
breaking
one
the
or two
law.
games.
Yeah.
I would get like one or two racing games, but I
Yeah.
wouldn't. I would never get like the fucking racing car wheel shit.
The gaming
The
chair.
one, the gaming chair with the car wheel, with the steering wheel.
the only
Taking
race-
What do
advantage
you
of my
guys think
base.
of strategy games?
I love them.
I like them.
Yeah.
Okay, the only like racing games that I actually have liked, the thing like the only ones I really like are those ones in the. Have you ever been to an arcade where there's like the bike that you sit on and you get to actually
Oh,
steer
those
the bike?
ones.
I just really
Oh,
like.
and Connor, you would,
Hmm?
you would like the type of racing games that require a steering wheel.
I don't know. I just think those are sick.
Yeah, those are kind of sick. Connor, get one installed in your house. You're rich.
Oh, wait, Nolan, is that why you wishlisted Sid Meier's Civilization?
Dude, you have that wish listed?
Dude, I have it. I bought it like
What?
3 years ago.
Yo, we should game.
Yeah, dude.
It's like $80 or something.
It's like Polytopia, but better. Yeah, I got it on sale.
Dude, I
That's
love
fair.
Polytopia. You should
I'll wait for it to
actually,
go on
Nolan, if
sale.
you like strategy games, you should genuinely get Polytopia.
No, you know what you should do? You should get Sid Meier's Civilization because it's just Polytopia, but better.
Is it on
Yo,
the-
we should
yep.
get No Man's Sky.
That also
Polytopia
is
not
apparently
Polytopia is on your app store.
Is it? It's on phone?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on the
I'd get
phone.
it.
It's just,
It's
I find
free,
it's kind of
but the one downside is to play online, you have to purchase a tribe, so it's like $1.40 for the cheapest one.
I can't do that. My card's locked into buying stuff on App Store. I don't know
Game,
why.
like the type of games that I like
I found
really
it playing
love are like
Terraria.
the story-based sandbox.
Oh, I found that one. Yeah.
Survival-based sandbox or story-driven
A
sandbox.
lot of those out there.
Yeah, those are like the type of games I really like.
Ever heard of The Long Dark?
Yo, I had that, but I
Someone,
deleted it. 'Cause I
someone
refunded
TP'd
it.
me right now with money draw.
Yo, wait, no. Oh wait, no, that's Aiden. Aiden and Nolan have the fucking same. Oh wait, no, I think that was a while ago that they had the same. Do you still have the question mark, Nolan? No,
A
you don't.
money
I keep
thank
thinking
you.
the question mark is Nolan.
That is not it.
You guys are just dumb.
I broken magic mirror. Good luck, Connor.
Connor's
Connor's
also
fighting
gonna
it.
magic beard.
Connor's fighting it.
Okay,
Good try.
what I was doing is I think I missed like a single block of corruption because I don't know if you saw it there. So
I
the
did.
contaminator was in my piggy bank.
Ah, makes sense.
Nolan, why would
Yo,
you break
boss,
that? You're
you
the one
want,
that wants to fight, and they only get one per like day in the entire jungle.
Oh shit, yeah, that was kind
Yo,
of
I got
dumb.
an Amarok.
Yo, boss, you want Star Wars Battlefront 2?
You know what game
I
I
actually
really
don't know
want?
anything about it. Yo, Nolan, do you want to have Frost Staff?
Yeah.
I just really want Fortnite Simulator 2. I feel like it's a...
What's that thing?
No, I wish.
No.
Dude, they should make a second Valorant.
Ever heard of Rainbow Six Siege?
No, that's Rainbow Sexy or whatever.
Yeah,
you said.
that Garbo game.
Boss, I
I've
want
heard it's
Valorant
really
too.
I heard it's pretty shit.
What would Valorant 2 even have, Connor?
Running
Jet,
gun.
but better. Jet, but she's fire.
It's the exact same game, but there's running gunning.
It's the exact same game, except all of the weapons are melee based.
And
What?
Jet and Phoenix are swapped.
And it's
That's the
got like
only
an
character
actual good
difference.
combat. It's got actual good hand-to-hand combat.
No, a bot. You're missing the main point. Jet and Phoenix are switched.
How useless would flashes be then?
Well, it depends on what kind of melee weapon you have. Like, if you have a spear, you can just stab someone from a direction they weren't expecting.
Just shank them.
Like,
But you-
Yeah, but
first person
that I
to
feel
make
like
a
that would be
deathmatch
more of like
melee
a
weapon.
that would
It's
be
gonna be
more of
so
like a
good.
medieval type game. That'd be sick if someone made like a siege medieval type game.
Dude, Killjoy's turret would be broken in Valorant.
Introducing For Honor. Ian, look it up.
For honor, is it like for space honor?
Yeah.
Yes, my birth date is January 1st, 2000,
Someone you
and you
died.
have no proof against it.
Uh-oh.
Yo, Monster Hunter is on sale, by the way.
Monster Hunter?
Yeah, Monster Hunter World. Oh, the Steam Summer Sale started, that's why. Why? Are you changing your music finally? Like a non-pleb?
You think I changed from default Terraria? Only OGs are good.
Imagine not using Terraria Otherworld.
How do you get that?
You just
can't.
walk up to her and you press the music option, dummy.
Shop, close, happiness. What do you
Oh
mean?
my god. This new, he doesn't unlock
What?
the ability to change this music.
What does that mean?
It means you get to listen to actually good soundtrack.
How'd you do
What,
that?
you saying the Terraria soundtrack isn't good?
Yeah, what the oh yeah.
What the hell,
Better
boss?
one.
The bit
Oh my god, these stupid mermen.
the game with the best soundtrack ever is Human Fall Flat. So
Oh, that's true.
Honestly, yeah, true.
you guys ever Human?
True.
I don't think you guys have played
Oh.
Shrek, the video game.
Shrek the
haven't.
musical, the video game too.
Inform us, Connor.
So I don't know what the console was, but when I was like 5, I had this educational console, but one of the games on it was a Shrek game.
Leapfrog?
It very well could have been. And I had a Shrek game on that console.
Between
Wow, a
Dip Frog-
trifold map. Wait, Connor, are you on the world?
He's dead.
That's the most embarrassing way I've died.
What? Green slide?
No, I have the royal gel on just so that doesn't happen.
I would never die to a green slime.
Yeah.
That's you've done it twice.
Yo, so many
Which
good
one?
games are on sale right now. Holy.
Like,
Like,
every
mm,
game is on sale, boss.
like-
Yeah,
like
that's
the
true.
game, like the game 2 Men and 8 Virgins.
What?
Frostbite?
Go to the store page, it tells
Guys,
me to buy the
Sakura
game
Beach
for no-
is $2.
Oh my god.
Okay, time to start putting the
I'm
torch back.
stupid. I
I
dug
hate
out
myself.
of the jungle and I was confused on where all the chlorophyte went.
My Terraria is broken right now.
What'd you do?
What, every time I left click, the settings open up, or the map opens up every time I left click.
Someone changed their
What'd you do?
controls.
I don't know, but now I can't go to settings to fix it.
Lol. You
What
just
do I
soft lock.
do?
You soft lock yourself. You can't do anything.
I can't even exit it because I can't go to settings.
Lol.
So I just have to Alt F4.
You loser.
All right, guys, save your progress.
There's a hollow
Saving
mimic
progress.
nearby.
It's raining.
You say?
There's a hollowed mimic.
No, there's not.
Well, I don't
Wait,
know
where
it's
is
on
it?
my rare creature.
I literally
detection.
can't find it.
It's not on mine. What the hell?
Oh wait,
Like,
it's
I
gone
have
now.
it so it's only player.
Rah, my wormhole.
No, but I have it so it's only player, but I don't know where the fuck it is.
Rah, what the hell? Based.
What's a chaos fish for? Wait, is that the random teleportation potion?
I've never caught a chaos fish in my life. I don't think.
I have 3.
What the fuck is a chaos fish?
Yeah, I don't know. Is that
fish.
might be hollow, right?
It is.
I don't fish too much. Can you tell? This James guy said he'll join at 8. So get an arena up, noobs.
My map? Yeah, I fixed it.
Boss, get over to the hollow.
Hey,
I'm walking.
put your
I'm
money drop down,
poisoning this
Nolan.
bit. Yeah.
Like down here.
Yeah, it's right there, right there.
Fuck, damn it.
Stay in the sky. You did not stay in the sky. Do you want me to steal your money?
Naya 6. No, the money drops because that's where I keep all my bullets.
Get to the hollow. Oh, it's a sandstorm. This is bad.
Yo, wait,
Oh,
Nolan, should I
no.
get
And
Assassin's
there's
Creed Origins?
Nolan, there's a gnome nearby too.
Golem.
Ian, I can't hear you.
Assassin's Creed Origins.
Oh no, Origins apparently sucks.
Does okay.
Syndicate,
Syndicate.
Rogue, and like Black. No, like a lot of people hate Syndicate, but I like it. But the pirate.
Oh
one
wait,
that
what
you
about
have, get Rogue.
wait,
The Black Flag or whatever?
Yeah, Black Flag. Rogue is fucking good though.
wait, wasn't Assassin's Creed Odyssey a good one?
Odyssey. I don't know. I know that people hated Origins.
Yeah, I know Odyssey is the most recent one that came out.
James, go over to the hollow.
Okay.
Chaos is erupting.
You summoned the Queen Slime.
Yeah,
And it's
and then
also
a
a
sandstorm
sandstorm.
started. Sand digger.
I can't. Ah! Don't say that.
Honor. Also, we're looking at all the good games that are on sale.
Yeah, We're gonna get all of them.
Oh, okay, so Nolan.
Yeah.
Spend $100 on game.
Assassin's Creed Odyssey isn't the traditional Assassin's Creed game.
Ah, it's cursed.
Bro, I have no defense now. This hollow armor
Wait.
sucks.
Wait, you guys fighting the thing yet?
We're fighting Queen Slime.
We're fighting Queen Slime.
Okay.
You mean I'm
So
fighting
Nolan?
it, can't
Honestly,
kill
just give Ian the crystal armor.
me. Yeah, and you want crystal armor?
Nolan, you're just flying
Yeah.
around. Of course, you're the only one fighting it.
Bruh, why are you so mad?
Don't take my money that's sitting there.
Wait, where's the
Why did
treasure
you
bag?
spawn another one?
Cause it's funny.
Wait, I didn't know he spawned another one.
It's a sad story.
Is that the one upgraded with form?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
so gamer. I saw that that a lot of people like when they're mage, they don't like it. When I was googling stuff for mage, this thing's epic.
Ah, big worm.
I can't see. This thing has a lot of
Nachos.
health. Nachos.
Nacho cheese.
Nacho dip.
Wait, then whose is it?
Oh, sand shark right below me.
Nolan. Yeah, I would recommend getting
another
off
one.
the ground.
Oh, that's why. Sand digger.
The Queen Slime was like, hey, do you like flying? You better be flying for this fight.
Yeah. Is someone get the sand out there? Or is it just
I
still
mean,
running
with
around?
No,
four
it's
fight bullets,
well-
I can kind of stay away and then just have them home. Here, I'll. My bullets. Oh wait, my bullets have chosen to home onto the Queen Slime.
Thank you, Brain of Confusion. Well, you can only protect me for so long.
Who made chlorophyte bullets and thought these were balanced?
They're really good. Yeah, but they don't do damage though.
Also really expensive.
But
Yeah.
you don't miss your shots.
So,
I finally perished. I dropped
I'm in a really
4
bad
platinum.
spot.
how would you even have 4 platinum?
I dropped it all. I dropped all the platinum. I cheated it.
Oh, that explains why you're so far ahead.
Boss, get over there. New.
Bruh,
Oh my
I kept getting trapped between the
God.
sand elemental sandstorm while the Queen Slime was pouncing on me. I don't know
You're
which was
so
less dangerous.
trash. Sand elemental.
Oh, I
That
found
thing's like
that's
easy
where
mode.
the first, like, treasure bag was. Sand elemental's
Yo.
a
Hey,
hard
there's still a
mode.
sand elemental here.
You punk. Okay, good.
Wait, is Queen Slime gone?
Yeah, it's dead.
Where's the treasure bag?
No. It killed us. I
Oh,
meant.
Get a load of this idiot.
Yeah, get a load of this.
Yeah, get a load of this idiot. Okay, let's go fight Planetara. Guys, I just got the fish of the day by accident. You jealous?
yeah.
I'm super jealous.
I want to fuck your jelly.
Guys,
God.
look at my achievements.
Did you get the last one?
He has none.
I have 69 out of 200.
Oh, I'm 195 out of 200.
What the hell?
I'm really close.
Is that the last
Nolan,
achievement?
how do you have so few?
No,
What?
I still have so many because the new I did a lot of them already, but the new update added a ton, and I haven't played it all.
Oh,
Well, it's
those-
not really a new update.
Okay, yeah.
I just haven't done stuff that I really should have. Like, I haven't defeated the Empress of Light yet.
Yeah, I haven't either.
Wait, what actually?
Yeah, because you guys always do it without us.
Yeah.
And also, to be fair, James didn't play in the last one.
Let's see. I'm missing
I did.
catch
I was just a
200
passive.
fish.
Yeah, Connor.
Did you not see my giant?
Old
hole?
ones are... So I have to kill Betsy, Empress of Light, 15th wave of the Pumpkin Moon, and get all the fish.
Well, I mean, James, I do remember your giant wall. Do you remember what I did to it?
No, because it was minuscule compared to my giant hole.
Remember, I actuated the full thing by a lever. It would just not exist for when you weren't there.
Oh yeah, and then I remember that I just broke them all and sold them for like a ton of gold, and then you just got scammed.